As you can see, there are four common career opportunities out there. You can be a film video editor or a television video editor, which is a bit competitive because you have to compete and have a skill set that many editors doesn't have. And if you go here, you can actually have a stable career as a video editor as well. Then we have music video editors and event video editors. Music video editors is currently trending in Sri Lanka. There are many musicians, rap songs are being released, and along with video, it get more views. So video editors have quite a big opportunity in this side as well. And the event video editor, events like weddings, like batch parties, and even like small um, community editing or like communities like small like some things like this webinars and even on site presentations. You can be a video editor in that side and actually progress as well. If you honestly look at it, many people now go into wedding video editing, videography, photography, and that is kind of blooming as well. But I know it kind of seems very simple and very limited, but there are some new video editing opportunities as well. As you can see, there's a plethora of opportunities out there. So actually I could only fit these into the presentation, but there are hundreds and hundreds of opportunities out there. So you can be a freelance video editor where you work with clients directly. And honestly, the one of the best and the most upcoming opportunities in video editing is short form video editing. Just think about it, like how many short form like TikTok videos, Instagram reels did you see today? That's because in the current society, attention is the new oil. People actually like pay like videos for to make short form videos because the short videos, it's like a 1 minute video and people can't actually pay attention for more than 1 minute just because of the attention deficit actually. So short form video editors have a big opportunity, and if you can do short form video editing, if you can learn short form video editing, you might have very big opportunities in the future as well. Then we have animation, visual effects, and motion graphic designing, which is actually more into animating a sub part of video editing. And you can go into companies or production houses like Disney or Hollywood level video editing companies, and it has a big, very high range of opportunities as well. Yes, new opportunities like gaming video editor, real estate video editor, fashion video editor, podcast video editors. Like podcasts are actually now blooming as well. Even in Sri Lanka, there were many podcasts that went viral. So if you can become a podcast video editor, that's a good opportunity as well. If you like want to know the price ranges of these career opportunities, just let me put it to me like this. So there was a time when I was editing videos for $100. Like one video was $100, and it was like 30,000 rupees in Sri Lankan rupees. And I was thinking, wow, okay, that's a very high range. It's a very high range to edit a video. Until I met a client who came to me and said, I can't believe I'm getting this much quality, this like videos like this for such a low price. That made me think, like, if he's saying $100 is low, imagine how much you can actually go for if you are going to edit high-end videos. One of my friends told me that a person he knows edited a video. It was like a branding video. This was a branding set actually, and he didn't discuss prices. He delivered the video and expecting to get couple of $100, and believe me or not, he actually got more than, like, I think 20,000 US dollars. That's 6 million rupees. So sky is the limit. If you can do a creative job like video editing, there is a big future for it as well.